Welcome to CAD Interop. We provide CAD interoperability solution. This video will present different option to select geometry and manage views in 3DViewStation. First option to select object is clicking on object. Multiple clicks on the same object will select one level up on assembly structure. Multiple selection can be done on structure with Ctrl and Shift keys. You can save a selection here. Click outside object or escape to unselect. Multiple selection can be done using selection frame. From left to right we'll select all object partially included in the box. From right to left only object completely included in the box. You probably noticed there are two selection panels. The first one contains simple selection modes. In other words, different way to select geometry. Plus 3 direct actions for hide, delete and ghost. And the second panel contains actions to the current selection as, invert selection, isolate, hide, delete, or ghost. For example, if I want to hide several objects, I can select them with Ctrl key. Next, click on Hide. Or, click on the feature, Hide. Next, select geometry to hide one by one. Regarding selection mode, I can select all geometry with same color. Or, all instances of one part. Or all geometry with same attributes. Neighborhood selection is a powerful tool to select several geometry in a volume. The volume can be a sphere, a box or a shape defined by a geometry. Let's start with a single sphere. Click on a geometry to define it. You can change radius as needed. Now, I will do the same, but for the 4 wheels. One tip, I ghost the body to select inside. I will combine several geometry to define a large box. For this last example, I want to select all geometry within a distance of 2 mm from the main body. I select linear distance, next, the body, and enter 2 mm for the distance. Fantastic! Please note all the views I created during this tutorial. It's very helpful for project review. Thank you for watching this video. You can get more information about 3DViewStation and help topics on www.cadinterop.com.